Retirement calculator. The objectives of this are to model your wealth over time in the sheet Wealth by Type, to show how you'd access all of that wealth in the sheet Sources of Income, and then to minimize the tax you pay by the sheet Tax Paid. There's a link to the whole video playlist. You can send me an email if you get stuck. In the file, you're only supposed to change the colored cells. So we've got some of this kind of browny color. They're the main inputs to change. If anything is after tax or there is no tax payable on it, then it'll pop up in green. Things that are changed annually, such as tax rules, are blue, and then recommended settings for things like stock market returns or inflation are in red. This is a Google sheet, and when you get hold of it, you do File and then make a copy, and then you'll have your own version of the spreadsheet. You'll be the owner of it. And then also what you can do is look at the version history. If you need to go back, you can just recall a previous version. And then also you've got the back undo key here if you get stuck. The overview sheet lets you know what's in the model. We've got the names of the sheets, we've got a very brief description, and then some additional notes. The main sheets to look at are those in green, and you can hide any sheets that you don't use. For example, if you don't have any rental properties, you can hide those sheets. To navigate between the sheets, you can click on this button in the bottom left, and you'll get all the sheets popping up, and you can move between them, or you can just click on the individual tabs. Once you've watched each video, click the Mark as Complete button, because it's only going to be possible to book a Zoom call once you've 100% completed all the instructional videos.